In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect mic to Pro Tools. Now, before you even open up the Pro Tools app, I would recommend you actually plug your microphone into your input on your computer, okay? And whenever you've done this, you want to open up Pro Tools, and then you want to go to Setup up top, and then click on Playback Engine. Now, in here, you can select your input device by clicking on it over here and selecting the microphone you want to use. In my case, this would be the Yeti Stereo microphone over here, and that's the first step. And of course, you can select the output device over here next to it as well. And then whenever you've done this, simply hit the OK button and the first step is done. Now the second step here is going to be to set up I/O routing, okay? So go to Setup up top and then click on I/O. Now in here you can see there's usually going to be one already. Now what I would do here is basically delete any old path. So just go ahead and click on it and click on Delete Path and then click on Delete yet again. And then what you want to do here is basically add a new one, okay? So you want to go and click on New Path over here for both the input and the output. So I'm going to delete this one as well. There we go. And then for the input, you want to do a new path over here and you want to select whichever one it is for you. I'm going to select like this and then create. And then there we go. The output is also going to be new path. And then I'm going to do stereo output and create. And then you want to make them default because of course you don't want to mess with this every single time you do it. So I'm going to click here and then here as well. And there we go. It's going to be made default. Okay. Now, whenever you've done this, you can then go ahead and start using your mic when you click on OK over here, and your microphone should now actually be working, okay? So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.